In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create points manually in Civil 3D. If you go to your Home tab here and you look at your ribbon, you can see under the Create Ground Data that I can go to my Points section, and under the Point section on the drop down we have the Point Creation tool. That's the one we'll use for the manual. And this will bring up another window where in the left side, if you bring the drop down menu, you can see that manual is already selected. There's many other types of creation for points, but we will just select manual here. That's going to go ahead and bring up crosshairs for us here. You can see when those crosshairs come in, on the left there I have an active number there. I'm sorry, on the right I have an active number. It's currently -15987464. Now if I wanted to put in a value here, one thing I could do is I could just select a point here, and you can see the points. It'll pick on certain lines, things like that. As well, I can manually input that data, where currently the active one I could go ahead and put in another value 1500, and then if I hit tab it'll bring me to the next one, and I can then tab to elevation. However, in this case we want to do it solely down in the menu bar, so I'll show you again here. If we select on our manual creation point, select manual, and down at the bottom here you can see that it's going to specify a location for the new point. So if I come down here and I put in -1598,721 and then comma, I want the other coordinate now, 16978764. If I throw that in, it'll then ask for a point description. We'll just call this CP11, and then it's going to ask for an elevation. So say 2500.1. This is something that is shown on your current control points. Then we'll go ahead and hit enter, and that has created a new point there. Currently the layer is not set, so you don't see that point, but it has been created, and that's the way to create new points.